Gold is continuing to move higher. Yesterday, after the analysis has been made, we can see that the price has formed another bullish candle. We can see after the price the day before has made a bullish breakout, a small one on the smaller time frame above 2672.00. The price continued to rise in value, and we can see yesterday the price did not make a small wick on the lower side, which means there was no sellers yesterday to push the price lower. Then the price has started the day and the price continued to rise in value. We can see that price has risen from 2672 up to here to 694, which is a great information for the bulls, which means they are much stronger. And we can see this day, the Friday has started with another bullish candle where the body in the few hours is already formed and it is pushing the price even higher. Now the price is at 2709, where the next resistance as target is 2736.97. We can see that, which has been drawn on the chart. In between this resistance level and the current market price, there are some levels on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame where it needs to be broken in order to continue to rise in value. So I am expecting there is a probability that the price could reach that small resistance and retrace slightly down. But for now, as it looks, the price is currently forming a bullish candle and without any wicks on the lower side, which means the price is still pushing higher and higher. Today is Friday, which is usually the day when in the morning before the afternoon, before the noon, the price continues to rise in value compared to the technical analysis I currently have made. So I'm expecting that the price will rise slightly more. Will it manage to reach to 736.97? It is something that cannot be confirmed. But afternoon, I am expecting there is higher volatility because of the Friday when the traders get out from their trades. So because of the price was rising all the week, we can see that here. I am expecting that there is a possibility that the price will retrace back down in the afternoon when the traders get out from their trades, locking their profits that have been started from here and also from here, just in case to avoid something is happening over the weekend, which could also completely reverse in the opposite direction and lose their money. So it is better to get out of the trades. So in the afternoon, I will check it how it looks, and there we'll see what happens on the market. But there is also probability that the price continues to rise in value, going above to 736.97 because of the higher volatility if the market sentiment is in line with current trend and they are expecting to see the price on higher price levels. What do you think? What will happen today? Will the price manage to reach to 736.97, this resistance level, this supply zone, before the afternoon, or it will continue to rise in value all the day without retracing back down? What are your thoughts? What are you expecting to be bullish completely, or do you expect a bounce from here and retrace back down to some of these levels? Leave a comment and let's discuss about this current market status. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.